Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing any caps and freeing visible screws. This gives direct access to the handle mechanism. Once done, gently pull the handle cover away to reveal the spindle and locking cam. Make sure to note handle orientation for reassembly. If the handle is stuck, apply steady pressure while holding the window closed so the mechanism doesn't slip. Keep screws and small parts in one place so you won't confuse left and right sides later. You now look closely at the spindle and cam to determine why the handle failed. Worn teeth or a bent spindle are common causes. Once identified, slide the old spindle out while supporting the mechanism so the locking cam doesn't fall. Make sure the replacement matches the original length and profile. Misfit spindles can jam the lock. After insertion, rotate the handle slowly to seat the spindle into the cam and listen for smooth engagement. If it binds, recheck. You finish by securing the handle cover and tightening screws just enough to hold parts firmly. Uneven torque can misalign the spindle. Once reassembled, open and close the window several times, checking that the handle returns to its neutral position and the lock engages fully. If you encounter stiffness or failure to lock, loosen screws slightly and realign the spindle. This simple tweak usually fixes binding. If problems persist, the cam or gearbox may be worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.